You can earn some good passive income and possibly quit your job playing Axie Infinity if gaming is your thing. Yes, you've heard me right, no pun intended. If you already spend hours in front of the screens playing games, why not turn your hobby into an income? The concept for Axie Infinity was inspired by other popular smartphone games like Pokémon Go and other Gacha games. Axie Infinity, on the other hand, is a rigorous non-fungible tokens game that allows you to play to earn cryptocurrencies. Setting up your account to start playing Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity can only be downloaded and installed via the game's official website, unlike other mobile games available on the Play Store or App Store. You can't just download the game and start playing right away, because it uses cryptocurrency. You'll need a digital wallet like MetaMask or blockchain and some Ethereum to get started. Depending on your location, you can buy Ethereum via places like Binance, Coinbase, and others. After that, you'll need to get another wallet called Ronin. You must deposit the Ethereum you purchased into your Ronin wallet. Once done, you will receive up to 2 to 3 Axies directly from the Axie marketplace. Good job! It's time to begin playing. Aside from buying Axies with your crypto, you can breed some yourself to participate in battles. More on that down the video. Before you start playing the game, it is good to familiarize yourself with Axies and their characteristics. Each Axie has its own set of metrics, which are divided into 4 categories: health, morale, skill, and speed. Health. It is a number that represents your Axie's life energy and ability to endure damage from the competition. The more health points you have, the longer you can fight. Morale is a temporary life extension after Axie's health has run out. Have you caught an old Sylvester Stallone action movie and watched him kill so many enemies while badly wounded and finally become the last man standing? That's how your Axie morale works. Skill. Axie's additional damage is increased by his skill, especially when he has numerous combo cards loaded. Speed. Axies on your team's turn orders are determined by their speed. Faster. Axies take turns first. If you haven't done that already, this is the time to subscribe to this channel. Alright, Axies can also be divided into 9 classes, each with its own set of stat points and weaknesses, necessitating careful team strategy. So, carefully select your Axies if you want a winning chance. Why should you even spend time playing this game in the first place? Is it worth the effort? Let's find out. Gameplay. Additionally, in terms of Axie Infinity gameplay, imagine Pokémon and Hearthstone getting married and having a baby named Axie Infinity. That's how identical they are. It's a turn-based game where you have complete control over what your monsters do on each turn. Each team has at least 4 cards, which are randomized for each battle, so you can't exactly use any card you want at any given time, and an energy explosion is required for each card. As a result, you can employ any 4 cards as long as it suits your energy capacity. Although other turn-based games enable players to select which enemy or adversaries they want to engage, Axie Infinity attacks and damages opponents randomly. As a result, you won't be able to focus on a single target in this game. Even in PvP battles, the situation is the same. However, if you lose PvP, you will only lose a few matchmaking points and not any resources. If you win, you'll receive a matchmaking rating and a handful of love parts. Overall, PvP provides better benefits to players, which frequently include SOPs. However, we recommend completing the game's daily quest, since it will provide you with some unique gifts and, on occasion, free Axies. Another way, you should aim to balance your overall gameplay to accommodate all of the game's modes, such as daily quest, PvP, and PvE, while participants are given free Axies at the start of the game. Most players avoid using them and instead utilize medic size due to the high prices. How to breed an Axie. Also, another vital aspect of Axie Infinity is breeding, which is used to create new children with desired features, for example, cards, classes, and parts of the body. It takes 2 flints to make a Fire Lewis and May Alcott. To hatch an egg, players will need 2 Axies, and a new Axie offspring will be born after 5 days. Because NFT Axies have real-world value, The Axie Infinity system has a hard limit of breeding 7 Axies for 1 Axie to prevent inflation. AXS and SLP tokens are required for breeding. The amount, however, is determined by how many breeding events an Axie has. Here are the steps to breeding an Axie. Select the first Axie for breeding from your inventory and click Breed. Select another Axie to breed with and click Let's Breed. A confirmation transaction message will appear. Click Confirm to proceed. Axie egg will be added to your inventory once the breeding process is completed. Wait 5 days for Axie to be born, then select Morph to Adult. Congratulations, you have successfully bred your new Axie. Go on and explore all that the game offers. Who knows what you might find? One of the game's main goals is to provide an entertaining, safe, and educational manner for people to learn about blockchain technology. This feature distinguishes Axie Infinity from other games in that the longer time you spend playing, the more rewards you will receive. Many people have reportedly quit their job to play to earn full-time. You might soon be part. Keeping my fingers crossed anyway. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. Otherwise, hit the thumbs down button. See you in our next video.